you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the process of transforming my daughter's room. She is 3 years old. If you guys don't know, if you're new to my channel, she's 3 years old. She's actually going to be 4 next month. But basically what we did is we got some new furniture, some new decor, we painted the room, did all kinds of fun stuff. So I won't be showing a lot of her in this video, and that is because YouTube is having a lot of new policies and things that they're trying to kind of hone down on. So I'm just being careful for the next few videos because that's kind of one of the reasons why our comments were turned off on our channel, and I think I only have a couple videos where they weren't bothered, but like all 400 of my videos, the comments are off. So I don't want that to happen to this video. I don't want my comments to be turned off, and that is to protect our children, but I don't know what's going on. It's really kind of messing up things for us as creators and for you guys as viewers, because that's kind of where we connect with each other. So I did make a post about go ahead and follow me over on Instagram so you guys can kind of stay connected with me over there. If you have any kind of responses or questions about videos you watch here on YouTube, then you can just go ahead and ask me over there, either on a post that I post, or just message me, DM me. That's totally fine. I want to be able to still talk with you guys and know who's watching my videos. So make sure you guys are following me over there and connecting with me there too, because who knows what's going to happen to YouTube with all of these issues and everything. So I love you guys. We're going to go ahead and jump into the video and show you kind of her transformation and how it looks now.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're don't know who you're going to be, who you're going
Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and give you the quick overview of the room and how it turned out. So basically, we went ahead and changed the baby blue wall to a gray. We did use the color Silver Bullet from Home Depot, but because we didn't like paint the wall white first and we just threw the Silver Bullet over the blue, it did come out a little bluish gray, or like a darker gray than it probably should have been. But overall, we do like the fact that it's gray because her room colors are obviously white, pink, and gray. So we went ahead and we got this from Hobby Lobby. I will try and link everything down in the description box if I can find it. So we got this from Hobby Lobby a couple of months ago. It just says, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, do you know how loved you are?" And I love those sweet things. They're so cute. So we did get this trash can from Ross. I believe it was $5. I think I left the tag on it for you guys so I can go ahead and give you some information to some of these things. So I got that for $4.99. She loves it. She actually picked it out. And then over here on the curtains, let me turn this down a bit. We did get these white ruffle type curtains from Target. That was about $29 for just one panel. And when I bought it, I didn't realize that it's just one. So right now we just have it up there like that, where we can like tie it, and then they are blackout curtains. So it totally blocks out the room if we untie that necklace. But we are going to get another one so we can have it on either side and just have like a full curtain for her, so then she can open and close it, or I can open and close it. So it is kind of pricey knowing that there was just one in the package. It was like $30. So I was going to take it back, but she really loves them. So I'm just going to get another one, and then she'll have these curtains forever. Even if she changes her room up, obviously as she gets older, she can still use these curtains because they're white and they're beautiful. Then this right here, I absolutely love these. This little curtain rod, it actually came with the house. So I thought that was super cute because it fits perfect in like a little girl room. It has like a marble ball. So I don't really remember where we got this rug from. I think we ended up getting this from Ross, but I think it's just a perfect size for her room, for her floor. And it has the gray and little bit of white or light gray within it, so it's just so cute, and it gives it like a little bit of detail in her room. So she actually got this furniture set from her Nana and Papa, which are Shanam's parents. They bought the bed, or the bed frame, and then the dresser over here. We did run into some problems with the company. Like, this is how it showed up. And to basically get a new dresser or get any money back, we had to go through hoops. So we were just like, forget it. But that is actually how it showed up. It's kind of sad. So I don't even remember. It was like a third-party company through Amazon, and we didn't really get much help with it. But I think the dresser is beautiful, and I love the detail here. Her bed frame has the same detail that it does in the dresser at the top. It has right here. So it's super cute. I mean, I think we probably need to like get another mattress or an extra box spring to like get the bed even higher up. We have a box spring on under this mattress, but for some reason it still is like super low. And then we got, I don't remember where I got this pillow, but I think I got this pillow for my office, and somehow it migrated in here, probably because she loves it. This pillow was from Hobby Lobby, but I will get that information and put in the description box, and she did pick this pillow out so we can have a little hint of gray. And then this whole set here with the comforter, the sheet underneath that has a little bit of gray in it, and then this like ruffled pillow that matches this. We got that comforter set from Target, so I will link that below. So this right here, it's like this little princess canopy type thing that goes over kids' beds or spots in their room. She loves it. She feels like she's in a tent. She feels secure. She feels safer. She just loves it. And she thinks it's like to keep her safe. It's so cute. I'm just like, oh, you're so cute, Ava. And so the stars actually came with it. They just added that in to the packaging. I got it from Amazon, and we did get gray. My husband was like, why didn't you get pink? And I thought because we were going to have enough pink in the room, but we probably should have got a pink one because we were doing the walls gray. I'll probably just go ahead and iron it a little bit later on, but she's been waiting for her room to be complete, so I wanted to go ahead and just get it up there. So that's what we did. You can kind of maneuver it around, and it was super easy to install. Over here is her dresser. We do have this that we obviously made when she was a baby. I probably have this video still on my channel if I didn't have to make it private because all of the drama with YouTube, but I did her little feetsies, and I think I did like a DIY video, and then her middle name, Ava Shireen. And then this I've had forever, just says love you more. This is just a little basket of like her little knickknacks and hair ties and jewelry. And then these lights that we've had for a while we put up here. And then this I've literally had since I was like 19 years old, like probably 12 years. So I went ahead and gave that to her, passed it down to her, and it fits perfect. So I did pick up these little flowers or floral things from Hobby Lobby. I think that one was $2.99, and I think that one was $4.99 or $6.99, something like that, around $5. Little Princess sleeps here, and it has that distressed wood look that you guys know I love. So that fits perfect. I think it's super cute over her dresser, and she loves it. She's happy about it. And then this is Ava's little flashlight. It's super cool because it like projects Anna and Elsa onto the ceiling, and it's not too bright, and then it's something that she can kind of like just look at and fall asleep. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a short one just because I just had some bits and pieces of shots of kind of doing this little project that we did in her bedroom, but we're super happy about it, most of all because she's happy and she just loves her room, so it makes me so happy. And she's like getting older and growing fast, and she just doesn't, it's not just like, oh, baby bed, baby room, like those things. It's like now we got to kind of transition her into like a little bit of a big girl room, and then as she gets older, a more big girl room, and that just scares me. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are able to comment down below if my comments aren't disabled, and if not, hit me up over on Instagram. I'd love to hear from you. I love you guys. Hopefully this stuff will be fixed over here on YouTube. Hopefully everything will be fixed up. It's getting really hot in this room. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. My next video will be a cleaning video, and you guys just have a great week. Oh, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video, you guys. It really, really helps out my channel, and it shows me that you guys enjoyed the video and kind of like my creation and my work and stuff like that. So I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Bye.